In this video, I'll show you the best cashback apps for online shopping and how you can use them to save real money every time you buy something online. If you're not using cashback apps or cashback websites when you shop, you're basically leaving free money on the table, because these platforms give you a percentage of your spending back just for clicking through their links before you purchase. With so many options available though, it can be confusing to know which cashback apps actually work and which ones are just a waste of time. So I'll break down some of the most reliable options and explain how they help you save on everything from everyday shopping to larger online purchases. To start with, it helps to understand how cashback apps work in general. When you shop through a cashback app or website, they partner with online stores and earn a referral commission for sending customers their way. Instead of keeping that full commission, the cashback platform shares a portion of it with you as cashback. This cashback is usually tracked automatically once you click through their link and complete your purchase. In many cases, these platforms also offer coupon codes, exclusive discounts, or browser extensions that automatically alert you to savings or apply discounts while you shop, making the whole process almost effortless once everything is set up. One of the most popular cashback platforms is Swagbooks. Swagbooks is known for offering many different ways to earn rewards, such as taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and even doing simple online searches. On top of that, it has a large selection of cashback deals with online stores across different categories. You simply click through a store link on Swagbooks, shop as you normally would, earn a percentage back on your purchase, and then redeem your earnings through options like PayPal Cash or gift cards. Availability of specific offers depends on your country, but where it's supported, there are often hundreds or even thousands of cashback deals available at any given time. Another strong option, especially if you're in the United States, is Fetch Rewards. Fetch allows you to earn rewards by scanning shopping receipts from both online and in-store purchases, which makes it unique compared to many other cashback apps. In addition to receipt scanning, Fetch also offers online cashback through its app and browser extension. As you browse online stores, Fetch can highlight available deals and promotions, helping you earn rewards whether you're shopping online or offline, which makes it a very flexible option for everyday spending. MyPoints is another cashback platform that works particularly well for online shopping, especially in the US and Canada. It partners with thousands of well-known retailers, so chances are the stores you already shop at are supported. When you shop through MyPoints links, you earn points for every purchase you make. These points can then be redeemed for PayPal Cash or a wide selection of gift cards. While MyPoints also includes options like surveys and games, the cashback shopping feature is where it really stands out for most users who want simple, consistent savings on their regular online purchases. For users interested in crypto-related rewards, Crypto.com also offers cashback opportunities that work a bit differently from traditional cashback apps. Through the Crypto.com app, you can earn cashback when purchasing gift cards for popular retailers, often at discounted rates, which already gives you instant savings before you even shop. On top of that, Crypto.com offers Visa cards that provide cashback on everyday spending, both online and in physical stores. The cashback percentage depends on the specific Visa card tier you have, and rewards are typically paid out in crypto. This option is best suited for users who are comfortable with cryptocurrency and don't mind receiving their cashback in crypto rather than standard cash or gift cards, especially if they already use crypto for other purchases. Coupa is another useful cashback platform that works across many different countries and is especially convenient for people who shop online frequently. It offers cashback deals through its website, but one of its strongest features is the browser extension. Once installed, the extension automatically checks for available coupons and cashback offers whenever you visit a supported online store. If a deal is available, it pops up while you're shopping and lets you activate it with just one click, so you don't have to search for codes or visit multiple websites. Any cashback you earn is tracked in your Coupa account, and can be withdrawn once you reach the payout threshold. Rakuten Cashback is also a popular and trusted option, and is available in several countries through region-specific platforms. Rakuten partners with many well-known brands and retailers, making it easy to earn cashback on common online purchases. You simply activate the cashback offer on the Rakuten website or through its browser extension before shopping. Complete your purchase as usual, and then wait for the cashback to be credited to your Rakuten account. Rakuten is especially popular for larger purchases because the cashback rates can sometimes be higher during special promotions or events, making it a strong choice for maximizing savings over time. One important tip that many people overlook is that you can often stack multiple savings methods together. For example, you can use a cashback app, apply a coupon code, and even pay with a cashback credit or debit card, all on the same purchase. By stacking these methods, it's possible to save significantly more than you would by using just one cashback app alone, which makes online shopping much more rewarding over time. By the way, if you want to keep your personal and payment information secure while shopping online and using cashback apps, I highly recommend using NordVPN to encrypt your connection and protect your data, especially on public or shared Wi-Fi networks. You can find a link to NordVPN in the description below this video.